dishes are already very common. Have you all tried this green papaya and barley soup? The taste is so refreshingly sweet and delicious. My family and I absolutely love it.
Simmering green papaya with barley not only creates a refreshingly sweet soup that moistens dryness, but also offers the benefits of strengthening the spleen, dispelling dampness, and beautifying the skin. The most classic way to eat green papaya is to make a refreshing and appetizing cold dish, such as the Southeast Asian-style green papaya salad. It is also perfect for making soup. Simmering it with pork ribs or chicken can create a light, sweet broth and aid digestion. Ingredients: green papaya, barley, red dates, carrot. Peel and cubes green papaya. Peel and cubes carrot. Remove the husks from the corn, cut into pieces, and set aside. Add all the ingredients into the soup pot and cook in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. If you're not using Instant Pot, you can directly put the pre-soaked barley into a pot with sufficient water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to a low simmer and cook for about 45 minutes until the barley softens. After that, add the green papaya pieces and continue to simmer for another 20 to 30 minutes. The barley in the cooked soup has already softened. Personally, I think this soup doesn't need any seasoning because the natural flavor of the ingredients is very refreshing, sweet, and delicious. This soup brings together a variety of natural ingredients including green papaya, barley, red dates, and carrots. The broth presents a clear hue that is visually appetizing. Once simmered, the barley releases its unique grainy aroma and lends a smooth, congee-like texture to the soup. Red dates are the core source of sweetness. Their honeyed flavor fully infuses the soup, providing a natural sweetness. Carrots and green papaya contribute another layer of mild sweetness and a subtle fruity fragrance. The flavors of all ingredients harmoniously blend together, resulting in a bowl of soup that is sweet, moist, but not cloying, and pleasantly soothing to the palate. Nutritionally, barley is renowned for its remarkable ability to eliminate dampness and promote diuresis. Green papaya is rich in papain, which aids in the digestion and absorption of proteins. Carrots provide a wealth of beta-carotene, while red dates are effective in tonifying the middle burner and replenishing cyan blood. Therefore, this is not just a delicious soup, but also a gentle tonic cuisine that can strengthen the spleen, dispel dampness, and enhance beauty. You know, barley is actually really good for everyone in the family, from the young to the old. Starting with the men, who often have social engagements and a greasy diet, their bodies can easily feel heavy and sluggish. Regularly drinking some barley water or barley soup can help remove this dampness from the body, making them feel much lighter and more comfortable. For women, barley is practically a natural beauty product. It can make the skin smoother, help improve the complexion and fade spots, and it even has the effect of reducing puffiness and water retention. For the elderly at home, barley offers two main benefits. First, it's rich in dietary fiber, which can gently help prevent constipation. Second, it's also helpful for maintaining joint health and can alleviate discomfort caused by heavy dampness in the joints. As for children, using barley to regulate the spleen and stomach is especially good. If a child has a poor appetite or weak digestion, using barley to make soup or porridge can gently improve indigestion and lay a solid foundation for healthy growth. See, this ordinary barley is truly a little treasure, isn't it? Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.